Hello, Adam.
Good afternoon, John.
And we welcome you to Wahawk Talk this Friday, May 11th.
Today at 12:30 is the Seniors Honors Assembly. All seniors and juniors will attend. Seniors will be dismissed to the auditorium right after fifth hour to find their seats in the middle sections toward the front. Juniors will be dismissed at 12:25 to the auditorium and will sit behind seniors in the middle sections.
Attention all students who will be 18 by November 6, 2018. There will be a voter registration drive following the Senior Honors Assembly today in the auditorium foyer. Students need their driver's license number and the last 4 digits of their social security number to register.
Attention all 2018-2019 Link Roll applicants. Pick up an envelope from Mr. Cassidy's room after school. The first training date for next year's Link Crew will be Friday, May 18th in the afternoon.
Seniors, on May 16th, speech outlines are due. Seniors who wish to speak at commencement need to give speech outlines to Mrs. Lilja in counseling services.
Come see Once on This Island, the musical, in the auditorium at 7 p.m. Friday, May 18th. 2 p.m. or 7 p.m. Saturday, May 19th. Purchase tickets in the business office or at the door.
If you're looking for a fun activity, try out for Color Guard. Rehearsals will be May 21st, May 22nd, and May 24th from 3 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. in the upper gym, and the audition will be May 29th from 3 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. There is no prior experience necessary. If you have questions, see Mr. Kleinheinz in the band room.
The boys' track and field banquet will be Thursday, May 24th at 5:45 p.m. in the Commons. Bring a side dish or dessert to share and your own tableware. This is the last day to turn in uniforms without being charged.
Today's events: girls soccer at CVSC 4:15 p.m. and 6 p.m. Boys soccer at CVSC 5 and 6:45 p.m.
Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.
Have a great day. Be West.